No call no police or
Shake your liquor, man, and boss.
Yo, man, you fly upon me, you know, if I ask my ass car, that's sitting there.
Shake your
That's
liquor,
sitting
man,
there.
power night, you know.
What you mean? Happy birthday, bro.
Bless
On the
up,
road
family,
contract.
man.
Big you up there. Come in, man, over there, man.
Strong.
Come on, man, get a cup, get a
But
cup.
glad to see you there.
Get a cup.
Yeah, the boss there, man.
Tough
Get a
fuck.
Yeah,
cup.
man, the boss. Happy and strong, don't.
Yeah, what do you man?
Start to start.
I will lift up, you see?
Live up.
Yeah, man, give us thanks, man.
But thanks, man. But thanks.
I back you up? Alright.
Yeah,
Real.
Fuck me up.
Frost. Frost. Frost, I came out. So, Billy, you think we have to raise back this up?
No, raise back.
Okay.
Raise back and a much.
Okay. Yeah.
I come back when I level where. You know, if you are raise up.
Okay, gotcha.
You don't have to raise. When I level already now.
Yeah. Got you.
When you right level where.
Dep on the right level. I got you.
So, man, if you have to put that big out like I have to.
Alright.
Flat like.
Flat like.
You know, I carry up too much money more.
Okay.
I carry it too high.
Okay, I got you.
So we have both of them. Random and stuff.
Yeah.
And then come around and say good enough.
Alright.
So you have to depend on good.
Yeah.
Level already.
Yeah.
And that's so good. My bad of them I want cheaper.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Might be some idea. You could chip in after. That's good already. Yeah. Rock, you know, so.
No running idea. After New Year, I go to the happy road.
This is the road, guys. Yeah. Nice. Duckling. Yeah, man. Alright.
No call no police or
Shake your liquor, man, and boss.
Yo, man, you fly upon me, you know, if I ask my ass car, that's sitting there.
Shake your
That's
liquor,
sitting
man,
there.
power night, you know.
What you mean? Happy birthday, bro.
Bless
On the
up,
road contract.
Big you up there.
strong.
Come in, man, over there, man.
Strong.
Come on, man, get a cup.
Glad to see you there.
Get a cup.
Yeah, the boss there, man.
Tough
Get a
fuck.
Yeah, man,
cup.
the boss. Happy and strong, don't.
Yeah, what do you man?
Start to start.
I will lift up, you see?
Live up.
Yeah, man, give us thanks, man.
But thanks, man. But thanks.
I back you up? Alright.
Real.
Fuck me up.
Cheers to that, I back.
Fuck off me.
So rum night.
The car pan.
Oh, let's see. Oh, hold on. Get one cook up. You want to taste it?
Can't give them one
Can I
half
get
cup.
a sip?
Give them one half
Get
cup.
one cup.
A little bit of press.
Let me share.
Amen, but you know.
So hold on, so what do you do with the cock?
I don't know what you do with
God
it.
bless
The
you,
cock
Lord.
fly guy over
You don't
Pluto.
so bad funny.
You see cock bust off and go some bow.
Must see only in a World Cup, me see
The
them
cock now
cock
want
they
to see
fly
the
so.
cock now want to see buckle again.
Oh man. Yeah,
Champion popping.
what a deal.
You know, so I'm not even going to no around with this. Only with the
Yo,
respect.
put the rum in and this.
Lost. What I read? California lost.
We're not drinking no rum.
No, the next word. See the California. What?
California.
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 Boy! Hey, I'm tall, yo. Hey! Yo, Frost!
I'm extremely happy with the progress, you know.
Are you satisfied with it?
And I'm satisfied with it, yeah, 100%, yeah, man. It came out more than how I had expected it to come out.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah. I was gonna clean off the grill, but I pre-treated it, and it's still a little bit hard, so I'm gonna leave it for a minute, and then come back to it a little bit later. Brownie, X. And then come deal with it. But right now I'm gonna go down at the road project, and we got some backup boards that I gotta pull. So yeah, I'm gonna pull them. So my work shoes, like the heel fell off, and this is what I'm gonna have to be wearing. Put on a pair of socks and my sandals. Yeah. It's the same thing I was working in yesterday. You can see the cement on the socks. Yeah. Hey Grace, what's up? You good? Are you the dog in my back off? Alright, me bring one come. Yeah man, yeah. So guys, the electrician is here to do some work for me. But he need a ladder. So carry it to him. Stay tuned. Whole heap guys, whole heap our